Hi, I'm George Schrofer. We live in Pere, Wisconsin, just outside of Green Bay, and we purchased this wonderful condo in December and stayed a couple of days, unpacked a little bit, and then headed for Florida, where we retire for about 4 or 5 months during the winter months. While we were there in January, our son-in-law called and said, "Hey, your furnace isn't working." So we took his recommendation. He had used Comfort Control, a local dealer in the De Pere area. And Mike, the owner, came out, saw what was happening, said, "You need a new furnace. It is badly rusted out." So we took his recommendation with an Aquarius furnace system. It had strong reviews, great warranty. We thought it would make a lot of sense. In fact, this is it. If I step aside, there you see it. So they installed it, worked fabulous. We had them come back out in about a month ago and installed a Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostat so we could keep track of our temperatures in Florida very easily and the like. We love this furnace. It's got a great warranty. We've been satisfied so far. It's very energy efficient, and we strongly recommend it.